And we're back, everyone, and here we have a box that has been hanging around here a while. Came from a nice member, and it's marked media, so we're about to explore what's in this box. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Introduction to Fashion Dressmaking by Singer. Getting a little closer. We have Touch and Sew 2, 771 manual. A white service manual. A decorative machine stitchery. Interesting book. Instructions for the Model 500. Looks like a made copy. A ginormous book. A service manual, 2210. Interesting. A service manual. I don't even know what 2210 service sewing machine series are. We have a Singer S800 manual. And we have something about home, a Singer featherweights. Now we have Viking. Looks like the rest are Viking in binders. Model 905, 910. I don't know if these were made like this, or sure looks like it. So we have a Viking in a binder, model 905/910. We have a Viking 610, 630 book. All right. They're kind of heavy, so they all can go medium mail. So they're going to be over a pound. We have a Husky Star 219. 224 manual. That's in a binder. We have a white, don't say, interesting, a Viking 3610 and 5610. They must have been very similar. It has nothing on the front. Alright. We have a Viking or Scandinavia 300. A Viking 4100, 43, 45, and 47. This is the technical manuals. They're technical manuals. They'll teach you how to rebuild them. Service manual, 990. A little more detailed than a regular owner's manual. New service updates. For what? For Viking, of course. This is not a defect in the needle plate. Tells you all about Viking. Viking 6030. Wow, really cool. If you're into fixing Vikings, there's a 1, 2, 3. There's a whole box. I hope someone buys them all. I could send them all in one box. Medium mail. Work out a price. But there is sure a lot of good info in these. And we'll put them all back. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like to order any of these manuals, send me a message. First, you have to join my Facebook group. I'll send a link in the description. and then send me a personal message, and I'll be happy to help with any parts requests you may have. All right, enjoy the day.